Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question we have a October 17, 41 variant, question number 2 and part B only. So what the question is, we have given a circle and this is angle Y and this is 2y minus 60. How to get a Y? Okay, so we have two techniques to solve it. Technique number 1, I show you one connection here. This is a very clear and all of you have idea that this is, for example, this is arc, okay, and this is a double 2x angle at center. If angle center is 2x, and what is this angle at circumference? So this is a half of it, half. If we multiply half, this 2 to cancel, we get this x back. I think all understanding this point very clear. But if I move this point slightly left side and this slightly right side, so diagram will convert in this format, and this angle 2x will become a little bigger. You can see clearly. And same criteria, this is double x. What about this? Half of it. Or I can say this is single x. What about this? Double of that. I think all people understanding what is going on. If I slightly move more, so this is first A moved here, and now slightly move down. This slightly move this way. So we get this kind of diagram, And now what is same story? This 2x remain 2x, and this is a half of it. So I can say that if this is x, what about this double x? Always double x, this becomes single x. So this same property I'm going to apply here. So my question, if this is single y, what is this way? You can say, sir, it is double y. Double. Reason, sir, angle at center is twice than angle at circumference. I believe all people understood. If you're not understanding, I show again, and I bring this diagram. And I show you. 1 minute, copy, and I paste here. Yeah. Now, if you try to compare this diagram with this diagram, if this is x, so this 2x. If this y, so this 2y. I believe all of you understood well what I'm explaining. And now it is a piece of cake for us because this is the angle at circle. So 2y from here. I repeat my words, 2y from here and 2y minus 60 from here. If you add them both, 2y plus 2y minus 60 equal to 360. Reason, angle at center or in a circle is always 360 degrees. So 2y gives us 4y, 60 goes on other side, will become 360 minus 60. And I got a 300, okay? And a 404 will divide under it. When 4 will divide, okay, so 4 will divide, so it means, so we can say from here, what when 4 sevens are, wait a minute, let me check the double. Yeah, this is 2 plus 2 by 4y. Sorry, this is a plus, this will add. So this adding means this will become 420. This will add, sorry for that, 420, 420. So 420 divided by 4, I got 4 by the 4, 105 is my answer. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin is done. Now I'm discussing way number 2. This way number 1 is done. Way number 2, you can make extra this kind of line, and it is allowed. Not okay. It is, if some student think we can't make extra line, we can make it. Okay, look at here. So if I say, what is this angle at center? This is angle. Hold on, I give you idea. So this is angle at center, and this angle at circumference. If this is 2y minus 60, what about this? Half of it. And what is the half of it? Divided by 2, I get y. So can I say this is a y? Yes, this is a y. Okay, this 60 divided by 2 got to 30. Yes, it becomes 30. Okay, this is done. So angle at center, angle circumference done. This rule is okay. Now let's apply second rule. All of you familiar students, this is cyclic quadrilateral. All of you know. If this angle is 80, how to find this one? Or I can say that, for example, this angle is x. This angle is y. Add them, give you 180. This is a fixed rule. So can I say this plus this is 180? Yes, I can do it. Y minus 30 and the plus y equals to 180. Y plus y give you 2y. 30 goes there, and I got 210. And this 2 divide, and mabruk, I got 105 with the second method. And I believe all students got both ways very, very clear, and question is completely over.